Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video feature of the day for the video surprise is the Ridgid WD4070. So this is a 5 horsepower, 4-gallon portable wet and dry vac. So I'm going to show you around a little bit about this product. Then we're going to unbox it. Then I'm going to do a demo and I'm going to give you the pros and cons. So it has like 4 accessories, 4 attachments. And it comes with a fine filter. As you can see over here, it has wheels and there's 2 latches to open it up. It can be used as a vacuum or as a blower if you connect the hose to the other side. The front is the part you connect to get the vacuum part, the suction, and the back is it blows the air out. So there are a number of accessories you can buy also as options. You can see here the dust brush, claw nozzle, crevice tool, and also you could buy the dust bag. So if you do some powdery thing, it might be a great idea to get the powder bag. So those are options that you can pick up. It comes with a full lifetime warranty. Like any Ridgid, I found out these are very nice and powerful vacuums. Great for do-it-yourselfers that you fix stuff and you don't want to clean up, or you don't have the time to clean up, or if you're doing a construction or anything like that, or even just cleaning around the house. If you have like say laminate floors or hardwood floors, etc., right? Or even carpet. So you need to do some quick pickup. You want some horsepower and suction, this is the one to get. So I'm going to unbox it now and show you what's inside. Okay, we just cut the box open. Let's take it out. Maybe my assistant will hold the camera for me. Get the cord out. So first, we got these attachments. These are extensions. They're nice, really nice. There you go. Put this on the side over here. Let's focus on the prize over here. Of course, we got the hose. Nice hose, very sturdy. Of course, you could buy extra hose outside of this. Down the side. So what I like about this one, it has wheels. Yes, that's it. I also have a nice tool, nice cleaning tool. You can see this over here. Here's the power cord. This container for the power cord. It moves around. The on-off switches over here. You can see on the top. So you get a good view of that. And here's another entry to plug in. Like any Ridgid vacuum, which is one of the best, I think. You also have the nice filter over here. This is the best filter. It filters fine dust as well. So the blue one is the one you really want to buy. There are other ones they have as well. I compare other brands of vacuums, the portable ones, and Ridgid has the best one. So I purchased this one at Home Depot. You probably can purchase other places as well. I'll post a link as well. Another attachment. Owner's manual. Project registration. Take it out. Put this in back together. So what I like about this one so far, I could tell you, is the horsepower. Line this correctly. It's very sturdy. Something's catching. There's the wire in the back. Okay, I'm gonna go plug it in. Hang on a second. So it blows air out here. And over here, that's where the vacuum part happens. And that's suction. Alright, so I got some dust upstairs. First I have to connect it. Make sure you connect the right side. And this is the side you connect it. So you'll probably find out by playing around. And the hose like that, and you go vacuum. I'm just gonna vacuum something on the floor over here. Let's see if we get something. Let's see if this dust over here.
I know it's a little speck and dust over here. It's overkill for it. Okay, so this is the vacuum. It's very portable. You can wrap it around, bring it anywhere. You can put the cables into this nice compartment over here. You can see, little caddy. It has these nice wheels on the bottom. Turn around. Almost resembles a toy, but it works really well, you know. Okay. So it's very portable. It's not that heavy. I can lift it with one hand. So blower here, you got connected here to get the blower some feature as well too, if you want to blow something, right? So it's very portable. If you want a portable one that's usable, you can bring any place. The Ridgid, this is a good one. Plus and minuses. I'm not paid by Ridgid, by the way. So what I like about it, the Ridgid product line, I like the power. I mean, I buy a vacuum for power, suction power, or I could use it as a blower, multi-purpose, okay? So it works for wet and dry. So you could have a little project, makes a mess, or spill a lot of water. This is the one that works. It's only 4 gallon. So if you need to vacuum, say a toilet or something, you want to take out the filter inside first, and before you do the vacuum. So let me show you something here. Take this thing out. How to change a filter, very simple. So you see this over here? That's how you take the filter out. To put it in this case we had this filter. Ridgid, you can buy these filters at many places, of course. You get to push it in. Make sure it snaps all the way through. The thing snaps all the way through. Over here, you see? That's how you take out and replace the filter. And I have more, how they have it Ridgid, you can see my other video. That works really well. In this one, be careful not to catch the cable in the back. You have to align it correctly. This one fell, align it a little bit. So be careful with these. Snap it back in place. Hinges. Alright. Sorry I'm a little bit rough today. Whatever works, right? So I'm going to use it around and write more description about the review. As of right now, I'm just going to vacuum and clean. You see over here.
Okay, here's my summary of this vacuum. This is the Ridgid, very portable 4-gallon, 5 horsepower vacuum. I would buy it again because there's a number of reasons why. So here's the pros I would buy it. Very portable, very lightweight, nice handle, nice grip, has wheels, even has a power caddy in the back. You know, a little container they could put in the back for power. Has easy to open and close latches. It has a hose and some tools, and it has a filtration system that's really good. You could change different filters. Here's the latch again, similar. So what I didn't like about it that much was the wheels in the front are a little bit small. I wish it was a little bit bigger. You can see over here, they're not the biggest wheels. So, you know, if you had a lot of carpet or something, it might be hard to move around, or a lot of dirt or dust, it might be hard to move around. So, and again, it's a little bit small. Wish the wheel's a little bit bigger. That's my feedback. The latches work well, though one of them popped out. I pop it back in. So I don't know if the latch is going to have a problem in the future, but it looks like overall the mechanics and everything about this Ridgid Definitely will last a long time. Thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.